What's the matter, ducky? Look at all that mess I made. What happened? I make a mess. I was supposed to put all those socks in the laundry basket, but I make a mess. Okay, don't worry. I will help you out. Thank you. Okay, let's start with the laundry basket. What color do you have? I have a red laundry basket. Red. Okay, red laundry basket. What else? Orange. Okay, orange laundry basket. And I see that you have a yellow one, a purple one, a blue laundry basket, and a green one too. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I have 6. Okay. So you have 6 different colors of socks, right? Okay, no problem, Ducky. Let me help you out. Let's start with this one. This is purple. Purple socks. Let's put it in the laundry basket. Purple. That's a yellow socks. Put it in yellow. I think that's red. Red. I think I found a green one. Let's put it in green. Green. I found orange socks. Let's put it in the orange basket. And that's the blue one. Let's put it in the blue laundry basket. See? That wasn't too bad. Yeah, I think I'm starting to know what to do. Okay. Well, I can continue and help you out, okay? Alright. Here is an orange socks. Yellow. Red. Purple. Green. Another purple. Looks like there is a red one. Green. Orange. Purple. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Purple. Red. Purple. Orange. Yellow. Green. Green. purple, yellow, another yellow, purple, orange. Hey Ducky, do you think you can finish the rest of them? I think I can try. Let me try. Okay. That's a green one, isn't it? Yes, green. Oopsie. Green. Okay. Well, maybe I help you to pick them up, but you say the word for me, okay? All right. Purple. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Blue. Oh, I got two. Both of them are blue. That's right. Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Red. Red. Blue. Okay, I can finish the rest for you. You want me to do it? Sure, thank you. You're welcome. Yellow. Red. Red. Blue. Red. Green. Green. Blue. Green. Purple. Purple. Orange. Purple. Green. And the last one is orange. See, it wasn't too bad. We finished them all. We put them all back into the laundry basket, Ducky. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, let's look at the laundry basket. Maybe we can learn how to spell the colors. Yeah, for sure. Okay, let me see. R-E-D, red. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. B-L-U-E, blue. G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay, we got them all.